Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make Flan Cocho. So Flan Cocho is a type of dessert that Hispanic culture, especially Puerto Ricans, they make for family gatherings, birthdays, things like that. So it's flan with cake. I know it sounds crazy, but it is the most delicious thing that you're ever going to make. Trust me. So if you want to know how to make Flan Cocho, keep watching. So for this recipe, you're going to need sugar, vanilla, egg, chocolate cake, vegetable oil, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. So the first thing I'm going to do is do the chocolate cake. So this is the brand that I like to use, and I'm just going to follow the directions in the back. So it says that I'm going to need 1 1/4 cup of water, and then I'm going to do a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Once I added that, then I'm going to do 3 eggs. And now I'm just going to whisk the ingredients together. So now I'm going to add the delicious super moist cake batter. And now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together. When you do this, just make sure that there's no clumps in the mix. So now you're going to prepare your baño de Maria, or a water bath, for your flan mixture. You're going to want to bake to 350 degrees. Now you're going to start with your flan mixture. So the first thing that you're going to use is a sweetened condensed milk. I like to shake it and then add it to my bowl. Then you're going to grab your evaporated milk, and this you will also have to shake it, and you're going to need 2 of these. Now you're going to add your vanilla extract. You can use 1 teaspoon. And then you're just going to mix everything together. Now you're going to add your eggs. So when it comes to the eggs, it all just depends on how you like your flan. If you like your flan to be more dense, then you add more egg. And if you like it to be a little bit more jiggly, then you add less egg. I like to be in between, so I only use about 8 eggs. Now you're going to add your sugar. You need about 1 cup, and then mix it. Now grab your favorite bowl that you're going to put the flan, and grab your cooking spray. You're going to want to just spray it all around so it doesn't stick to the pan. So now we're going to do the caramel. So the caramel is pretty easy. All you have to do is have a cup of sugar and put it in whichever pan you like. And then you're going to put the temperature in high. You're going to want to put the sugar into high heat, because if you put it any less than that, you're going to crystallize the sugar, and that's not what you want. You want it to melt. So now, as you can see, it looks like I'm going to start a little fire. So I'm just going to lower the heat just a little bit. Now I grab my little spatula and I just move it around, make sure that all the sugar gets caramelized, and now just add it to your bowl. So now we can add our flan mixture. I just like to just mix it around because it was sitting there for a little bit. So just add it to your caramel. And I do the same thing with the chocolate cake mixture. So now you're going to grab your aluminum foil. I like to use the recycled one because we need to save the earth. And just put it on top of your flan and add it to your oven. So your flan should be done in an hour and 30 minutes to an hour and 45 minutes. If you did add more eggs, then you will have to bake that flan a little bit more than that. Now just take out the aluminum foil. Now just grab a decent sized plate and flip the cake over. I like to let it just sit there for a little bit until all the caramel falls out, and then I reveal my masterpiece. And this is how you make flan cocho. I really hope that you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please let me know what else you would like me to make. Thanks for watching. Bye. I don't know where where it originated. How do you say that word? Dessert you're going to ever have in your whole entire life.
I don't want fame, I just want love. I don't want fame, I just want trust. Why they all trying to knock me down? They should all know I'ma stay up. Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna faze me, no fake accounts like KD.